In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtitles in Canva for free. Captions make your videos more accessible, easier to follow on mute, and clearer for viewers in noisy environments, so let's walk through the process step by step in a simple, beginner-friendly way. First, open Canva and start a new video project, or open one you've already been working on. If you're starting fresh, choose a video size that matches your platform, like 1080p for most social posts. Once your canvas is ready, bring in your footage. You can drag your video file straight onto the canvas or use the Uploads panel to select it from your computer. Give it a moment to process, and then make sure the video is on your timeline and ready to play. Next, we'll access Canva's caption tools. On the left sidebar, click Text. Scroll to find the dynamic text section, and choose Captions. This tells Canva you're going to work with auto-generated subtitles for the video you've placed. Now it's time to generate them. Click to select your video on the timeline, then hit Generate Captions. Canva's AI will listen to your audio and create a transcript, dividing it into caption segments. Depending on your clip length, this might take a moment. Clear audio helps a lot here, so if your recording is crisp and not too noisy, you'll likely get better results right away. With captions created, let's style them so they're easy to read. Click any caption on the timeline to select it. A floating toolbar will appear with options to adjust font, color, and size, and to add effects like a background box or an outline. For best readability, aim for high contrast light text on a dark background or the opposite and pick a clean, simple font. Position the captions where they won't cover important visuals, usually near the bottom with a little margin. If needed, adjust line spacing and alignment so longer lines don't feel crowded. Before exporting, review your captions for accuracy. Play the video and read along, correcting any misheard words and fixing punctuation or capitalization. Make sure brand terms and uncommon phrases are spelled correctly, and keep your style consistent throughout. When everything looks good, download your video as an MP4 so the captions appear in the final file, or share it directly from Canva to your preferred platform. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.